Keras model fails to predict if called in a thread. I try to perform predictions using Keras and the available model VGG16 in a threaded application. However, if I call the prediction in the main thread, everything works fine. But if I predict inside a threaded function, whether I use threading, multiprocessing, ... it just stalls during prediction. Here is the minimal example. Use _threading equals false gives me. Use _threading equals true, which fails, gives me.
So Keras with TensorFlow backend has unfortunately the issue of halting during prediction, if the model was given as an argument to the sub-process. However, if the model is created directly in the sub-process, everything works fine. Therefore, the solution is to send the frames to the sub-process via queues. Here is a working solution. Which gives me
python-multithreading.